I'm Mr. Shamuratov. In Ocean Stella collection, I tried to inspire with fresh vision, clever approach, and I try to enhance efficiency, simplifying complex elements and upgrading skills to the next level, so everyone will be able to create these kind of hairstyles with ease. I believe we need to have enough experience to offer different styles to our clients, to be able to create suitable forms and textures, feeling the hair and understanding what products needs and what kind of techniques will be suitable. In my hairstyling courses, I try to show and inspire that our creativity is endless. So this is the Ocean Stella collection. Watch and enjoy.